Right, we're in the finishing stage of constructing this extension for the customer. We are weather tight from the top. Just need big bifold doors to come in, and then we're ready for insulating underneath, not thermal, sound insulation, plasterboard, plastering, bit of screed on the floor, and we're ready for kitchen. First fix plumbing and electrics are done, all the cabling is in. Now it's just the doors. Bit of issue with doors. For the last 3 weeks spent a fair amount of time discussing various options with customers. Always been originally as a plan to go with bifolds, so I thought it's going to be a simple and easy. Just confirm with them exact details of the bifolds and just order them 3 weeks ago. We're supposed to have them early next week, which wouldn't be a problem. They took their time deciding which ones they would like to go for, between level threshold, level inside with outside with the same tiles, or decking outside, stepping down, bifolds with odd number or with even number of leaves, sliding door option, 3 leaves that all slide to one side. I probably spent about 4 hours, 5 hours discussing with them various options, giving them pros and cons for each one, just to help them make their decision. And a couple of days ago, come to work, and the customer said, "Oh, I ordered the doors." He didn't order those through us, he ordered those through some independent glazing company, which is not a big problem with us, but he ordered the doors that are, as he was explaining to us, that he doesn't want. So when we've been discussing the doors, that's what he categorically been repeating, that he doesn't want them, that type of the door. So basically even number of panels, 4 sections, 3 sections bifolds folding that way, and a master door opening against this corner here. Mind you, on this opening that's going to be almost 4-foot door. It's going to stick out up to here somewhere. And when we initially made the opening, we lowered the bricks down to that point, so we would remove this and lower the ground down, and then we can set the sill and the frame, the bottom part of the frame of the door, down below the floor level inside. So when we run tiles in, underfloor heating and tiles, it would finish about 5 millimeters below the top lip of the frame, to get almost that seamless step over. And the guy from this independent company came, measured up, checked everything, said, "I want this opening this height. I need to put brick and half back in." That's floor level. So he wanted us to put bricks to this height, so he can put sill, 20-25 mil sill, and then frame. They're gonna have a 4-inch step over. I try to explain nice and gently, but it's not in my jurisdiction. I can't say they're wrong or they're not wrong, because they've been recommended by their friends. It's a reputable local company, glazing company. So let it be. It's out of my hands, it's out of my jurisdiction. They could have a nice seamless threshold of the door with all folded up to the right. Now they're going to have half to the right, half to the left to the middle of the garden and big step up. But again, it's out of our hands. That part of the project has been taken from us, so I can't put any input to that. All I can do is build these bricks back to that height. Again, you can see on the level, it's way higher than the floor. Even without tiles and everything, we will struggle actually to reach bottom of the door sill. Yesterday I took my laser level and rechecked all the levels from projected finished floor level to the beam. Done my little calculation here, marked up everything. That was my laser level line. Measured how much I got to the beam, how much I got to subfloor, underfloor heating, overlay system, tiles with adhesive, the lot. Got the measurement, asked customer to ring glazing company to give them that measurement to confirm. They said, no, it's all fine, don't worry about it, just build the wall up to the level we asked for. I said, fine. The worst thing is, in all of that, I mean, that what type of the door getting, that's not a problem for me because I'm not going to be living with it. 6 to 8 weeks lead time. So guys, unfortunately you'll have to wait 6 to 8 weeks to see outcome of this. We'll have to build some temporary screening there, holding, so we can then carry on finishing here, because otherwise we will be pretty much stuck as we are now. Anyway, that's it. I'll keep you updated, and then hopefully we'll see what the door's going to look like once they arrive. Cheers guys, and all the best. Thumbs up, subscribe for next video.